All right, this is going to be a fun tutorial. This one is going to cover how to input exercises into your lift journal and how to edit them. So this is going to be a real world demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my personal account. And because we inputted exercises previously, you could see what type of muscles I have been working on. And the color coded green means moderately trained, yellow means not trained often enough, red means you're aggressive or you've been going over your goals on overtraining that muscle. So I already had, on the previous tutorial, I showed you how to change a program. And I already have a program called Training with the Snatch. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to train my Snatch today. So based on these suggested exercises, I'm just going to choose a few of them. I'm going to go over all of them. I just want to choose the Snatch and maybe do some squats. And I'm going to hit the button that says Send Now, and it goes straight to your journal, and you have these exercises in your journal. So squats, it shows your PR, shows the mounts. Well, it doesn't show the mounts yet because you have to input them. And then snatch, we have your PR as well. So if I want to add more exercise, let's say I want to do a high bar squat, I could go ahead and go to my history, type in, high, and you'll get, of course, search results for that word high. And I already have high bar squats. I could choose this one if I want, and that will automatically put it in your journal. Now, I have a history. I have amounts that I previously done inputted here. This is where the cool stuff shows up. Let's say this is what I've done last time, 45, 89, 110, 133. I want a progression. So 45 is a bar, but I want to go to 99 on this next one. I want to go to 120 on this one. I want to go to 148. I want to go into 164. See, so that's how you create progressions with just pressing a few buttons. Green button, save, and then let's go back to that item, and you can see everything that I've changed automatically. So that's why we have these buttons, is to do quick progressions. You could change progressions with the reps as well. Okay. So if you're wondering what that's for, that is what it's for. Now, if you want to type everything manually, it takes a little longer. However, we still have that feature. Okay. So on the snatch, you can see my PR. Let's explain what all these little icons are for. You have your video. If you forgot how to do the snatch, you could watch a video. This item right here, of course, it says 0 right now because I need to save some items here. So let's go ahead and say I did done my snatch with 89 pounds, which is equivalent to kilos, 110, 3 reps, and I jumped to 127, 1 rep, and 132, 1 rep. I could go down, hit my green button, and save. Now when we go to snatch, we have these little numbers here. You look at that running man, that is your endurance volume. If you look at this lightning bolt number, that is your power volume. Pieces, if you're using dumbbells, you most likely will have 2 pieces. If you're using a barbell, of course, you have 1 piece. Body weight factor, those are for advanced users. That's if you're not using any weights, you're using your body weight, that is factorized in. But if you use our catalog, EfitX catalog, you will not have to touch that setting because it's all preset. But you'll be able to modify it if you want. Duration, if you want to do an exercise for a minute, type in 60. If you want to do it for 30 seconds, type in 30. Priority is how you sequence them on your page. They go by multiples of 10, so you could see that these, it's kind of hard to see, but it goes 10, 10, 30. So if you want to put something at the end, you want to put this at the end, you could change this to 40, and it will automatically put it at the end of the list, as so. So sets, now keep in mind, if you change this to 3 or 4 sets, this is multiplying everything listed in this box right here. So if you fill out only the top, you will multiply it by these amounts of sets. If you fill out 6 boxes, you will be multiplying all 6 boxes by these sets. So I believe that's it. You have your graph, and then you have a space for notes, which every coach should do. Always type notes. And that's how you edit. So let's move on to the next tutorial, which is going to cover cardio.